Guys, here are my top 5 loudest preloaded enclosures for single cab and extended cab trucks. Dimensions included so you can see if they fit before you buy. Now this is part 1, part 2 is gonna drop soon, and that's gonna be on my favorite amplified preloaded enclosures for single cab and extended cab trucks. All right guys, starting things off is the Kicker Comp RT12. Now what I love is this one has a passive radiator. So instead of like a porthole, there's a second speaker cone that doesn't have a motor. So the active sub pushes air and that passive cone responds to it, giving you deeper, smoother low end. Basically a ported box that won't chuff or put out port noise at super loud volumes. 500 watts RMS, about 1,000 peak. About 27 inches wide, 13.5 inches tall, and 7 inches at the bottom. Tight fit, big sound for the money. All right guys, next is the Alpine truck, the SBT S10V. Alpine's truck box. Now this thing is ported, which I really love. Wedge style, about 350 watts RMS. Close to about 22 inches wide, about 15.5 inches tall, about 4.25 inches top depth. But then you've got about 7.5 inches bottom depth, so keep that in mind. Alpine tuned this thing specifically for truck cabin gain. The port is engineered to build pressure inside the cab, not just move air. If you want something that sounds tight and punchy without being sloppy, Alpine nailed it. All right, next is the Kicker 44 TL7S10-2 or the 12-2, the 12-inch version. Now guys, we are getting serious here. You've got your L7S square woofer. You guys know that's not just for looks. The square 10 or 12 inch gives you that 20% more cone area, more surface area than a regular round 10 inch or 12 inch woofer. So it physically moves more air and it hits harder at the same power. Plus, this one's ported and it's 600 watts RMS, about 1200 peak. We got about a 21.5 inch height. We've got about a 21.5 inch width, about 15 inches tall, about 6.5 inches at the top, and then about 10 inches down there at the bottom. That bottom depth is the thickest on this list. So please guys, measure before you buy. But if it fits, boy does this thing hammer. Next is the Kicker L7T, the 46 TL7-12-2. Now just like everything we saw with the Kicker L7S, square cone, 20% more surface area, much higher output. This thing's got. It's also at 600 watts RMS. But now let's measure the dimensions. It's about 21.5 inches wide, 13.75 inches tall, 4.375 inches at the bottom, and 7.75 inches at the top. So where this beats the L7S is not necessarily output, it's getting there. The L7S does have one over on this, but it's really that size. If you just don't have enough size for the L7S, this is the one to look at. Lastly guys, and this has been one of my favorites for a very long time, it's the CS112TG TW3, the 12-inch version. What you see here is the 10-inch version, which is awesome, but the 12 has been my favorite. Now we've got this guy at 400 watts RMS, sealed enclosure, about 22.375 inches wide, 4.25 inches tall, about 4.625 inches at the top, and about 7.125 inches at the bottom. A 12-inch JL Audio TW3 in a sealed box. This thin is honestly not supposed to be possible. But here we are. The low-end extension, the accuracy, the output. If you want loud and especially clean from a truck box, this is top of the mountain for preloaded, non-amplified boxes. You'll feel it before you hear it. Now guys, remember to stay tuned for part 2, where I'm going to show you my favorite amplified preloaded enclosures for single cab, crew cab, and extended cab trucks. And don't forget, I've linked all of these in the description below. You can get them right on our website with a 60-day money-back guarantee, plus a 1 to 2 year warranty on any enclosure. Anything ever happens to them, we take care of you guys. All right, talk to you soon.